Alright, so to start the free travel mod, which is, the step one really in lowering this thing, you need to chock the front wheels up, make sure you have jack stands supporting the rear end, take your wheel off, and basically we're going to cut this section off right here that has the original bump stop in it. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to kind of mark it. I don't get crazy. Some guys take all of this off. It's just a pain in the butt because the gas tank's right behind it. So I basically am going to score a spot right here and then start to trim it off little by little with a cutoff wheel. Some people also like to use a Sawzall. The problem with the Sawzall is sometimes it wants to go into the frame if you're not real precise with it. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to unhook the ABS. These guys here, just get them out of the way so I don't accidentally hack into them. And we'll get it marked and start cutting. Alright, so here's what it looks like completed. Sorry I ran out of storage on my SD card halfway through the cut, but I got the front cut on film, but the back cut, what I do is I just bend that down enough where I can reach the back and cut the back. So, like I said, some people go crazy and they take this off, this little ledge right here. I'm not too concerned about that. If it were a show car, yeah, I'd probably take that off, but in order to get to the back side and get that off, the tank's kind of in the way. You gotta have the spring out, which I'm gonna have the spring out to lower it. But anyway, it's all finished up. I've got my ABS line back in place. When I put the shock on, there is a new bump stop that goes in this hole right here, and I'll put that on. But for now, I'm gonna put the wheel back on and drop it back down on the ground, and then we'll get ready to start the back lowering, and then we'll move to the front.